Good morning. How we doing, people? Planner people, what is going on? Welcome, welcome, welcome. This is SarPlans, and I am Sarah. Welcome to where the magic happens, babes. So it is Wednesday. We are going to be rocking it with our TraciiRaes kit of Briar Rose. I think that this was the first kit that I bought from her because I have two of them. So I bought this one, and then she had a pretty rockin' half off Daily Duo kit sale where I seriously stocked up, and I bought another one. So I don't have to worry about using this one. I can use it again in the springtime or in the summer even, so I'm not worried. All right, well, I made an executive decision today that we are going to be rocking the yellows, okay? Just doing all the things with the yellows. I also found that, I told you I love these kits, right? So look, I have a bunch. Blue, this one was for February that I forgot I had, my bad. And then I don't know what month this one is, but I remembered I had a yellow. So I don't know what's left of it because I have pillaged it. I've used it many times before. You guys have probably seen it. If you haven't, sorry, you missed it. But I have some yellow stuff left. Not much, but I think it'll be just enough, folks. Just enough to make it a day. All right, so we're gonna rock with some yellow goodies and let's go. How's that sound? All right, I wanted to just set it up differently. I know that you guys we all do our planners differently, you know? We all rock it in a different way, and I just wanted to make sure that we're doing that. Let's have a good time here. All right, so it's Wednesday, right? Wednesday, all day. So, Wednesday. All day, baby, all day. This is actually the International Day of Awesomeness, which I just can't get enough of because, well, I think I'm kind of awesome. So there's that. All right, so we're gonna do our AM routine right here. The boy needs to log in. The rest of the kids need to log in. Then he will have a Google Meet. They will be done. I will go to work at 5:30 and only teach one class. Then we will have a PM routine. And I think that might be close to working it out. Yeah, we don't have a ton of things to do on this day, but oh, the geek has practice. So I'll pop that there. In the mid-afternoon, if you drop these to the side, it gives you a little bit more room to double up on stuff because I am like that. There's a lot going on or nothing going on, and I just pop some, to-do list or some stickers there. But it does give me the freedom and flexibility, so that's what I like. All right, I teach, there's not a ton there at the end. Okay, once we write this all out, I'm gonna figure out where I'm gonna work out and where I'm gonna do my planner biz. All right, so I want to drop some of these in here. Now, here's the best thing, that it's going to be 64 today. So, this sticker is coming in hot. All right, so we'll put the sun here, but here comes the sun. I could just straight up write it right inside this sexy thing. No, it's okay. I like this one. Here comes the sun. So we'll put the sun sticker there, and we will... I just might as well write it now, huh? All right, it's going to be a high of 64. Oh, my goodness. I told you, we're going tanning. Or no, we're swimming this day. We tanned yesterday. All right. I cannot pick this up. There we go. All right. Hello, sunshine. And I think that's the other one that I want to put here. Hello, sunshine. I'm going to pop it right here. So these stickers, you're wondering where these came from. If you don't know, these are from probably quarter two, I would think. Quarter two quarter two or three, I guess. I guess I really don't know, and I'm just talking out of my ass. The Sticker Club, love them. I just was, honestly, it was my first one, and I was so behind with it. I didn't know what I didn't know. I didn't know what I didn't know, so I didn't use them as much as I should have, but I did make a vow to myself that I'm going to use them. Got the rainbows. Can't wait to like pop some of the stuff in with the pineapples. I just stumbled across a kit that I didn't use either, and now I know where I'm gonna put the pineapples. I know, I'm ridiculous. I feel like maybe I'm a sticker hoarder, but don't tell the others. Okay, now I just would like to get some pen in and get a good vibe of where we're at. Here's the other thing. I did something, okay? Now, you know, I love my tool pen, okay? I got a pack. My daughter stole one. I clung to them for dear life, and I did good. And I ordered a new pack and didn't realize that I ordered the fine tip. I'm like, oh my God, woman, I'm not a fine tip kind of person. Well, guess what? Maybe I'm a fine tip kind of person because I'm really, really digging it. So, yeah, there's that. All right. I am going to give it one of these. Nice. All right, so just drop these right in here. Definitely need more stickers up in this, girl. Okay, so now I wanted to we have enough. We'll be good. All right, so cut this in half. And we're gonna go like this. And then oh, okay. So weird. All right, I don't know. Okay, Tweezies, where you at, Tweezies? There we go. Okay, so 3 up here. Okay, and then I'll just lift this one up a little bit, make some room for this guy. There we go. And then here with this guy. How's that sound? That's good? Sounds good, right? Okay, let me straighten this. Ta-da. All right, I don't think we're gonna need this, but I'm just gonna put it off to the side anyway, because you just never know. All right. Oh, my Lanta. Okay, now let me fix that because that looks weird. There we go. Looks like it was there the whole time. Skinny. Makes me write small. Kind of like it. All right, so. Right? Makes me write small. It's weird, but kind of nice. Ta-da! All right, so he's logging in, and then, do you know what I'm doing? Yep, that's right. Keeping it yellow. clean. Nah, we'll just bust that up here. What are we cleaning on Wednesday? We clean kitchen. So, we'll put it at the, no, I don't want to. We'll put it here. We clean the kitchen. Okay, so as far as things that need to get done, all right, so it is recycle day, so we'll pop that up here. Oh, we can put it right here. Nice. Okay, get rid of this. Unless, let's see, I know there were some yellow ones. I did take all my little mini scripts from Planner Kate and I organized them because, well, yep, that's why. I think this is new release day too for Planner Kate. It is Planner Kate release day. So, good find, huh? All right, PK new release. Now I have to put this one up there because this is a PK. That girl, by the way, has been killing me lately. I got a big order from her 40% off birthday sale, and then I got a big order with the 50% off sale stuff. I got all kinds of cleaning things. Clean kitchen, clean, and then little dots. So, yep, I'm a sucker. What else do you want me to say? All right, so I legit have nothing here. Why don't we put a sun there? Oh, maybe a nice quote. Let's see if I can find a quote. Boop. Shine your light. I love that. Yes. Shine that frickin' light. Guys, just a little bit more, right? Not too shabby. Okay, so as far as what to do, I don't think I have too much to do. But I didn't get done from the day before. I don't know. Okay. I know I need to do something. I need to find a wreath. Beautiful. Oh my God, I love the yellow. It's just screaming warm sun love. How about a little bit of this? It's a gorgeous thing. All right, my friends, we are DONE done. So if you enjoyed this, I want you to do me a favor, jump down there and hit that subscribe. Give it a thumbs up if you're not subscribed already. None of that made any sense. All right, my friends. Oh, thank you for sticking around. I hope you love this yellow sunshiny day that we planned out. If you are not already subscribed, because half of you are not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my friends? I am on a goal to 750 by the end of March, and hopefully, with your help, we can get there. So definitely jump down there and subscribe. Give this a thumbs up, and if you can, share it. Post it in a group. Let me know what you think. But other than that, check out my links below, and I want you to have a great freaking day, okay? Because here in New Jersey, it's 64, so yeah, we're all going swimming. Make good choices, people. Be good people. Peace.